The Ultimate Binance Beginner's Guide, from Sign Up to Earning Interest. Welcome, everyone. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk through every essential step to master the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're looking to buy your first Bitcoin, understand trading fees, or explore passive income options, this tutorial is designed for you. Will begin from absolute scratch by creating and verifying a new account. A quick but important disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This content is for educational purposes only, based on my own research and experience. Let's begin. Your first step is to sign up. Navigate to Binance.com and click Register. You can use your email or phone number. A pro tip: using a referral ID during sign-up grants you a permanent 10% discount on trading fees. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Once you confirm your email, you'll land on your dashboard. Security is paramount. The first thing Binance will prompt you to do is enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. I strongly recommend using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator over SMS, as it is far more secure against SIM swapping attacks. The process involves scanning a QR code with your app and securely storing the backup key for enhanced security. Consider a hardware security key like a YubiKey. Additionally, I recommend setting up an anti-phishing code. This unique phrase will appear in all official Binance emails, helping you distinguish them from sophisticated scam attempts. To deposit traditional currency, like euros or dollars, and buy crypto, you must complete identity verification. This is a standard process known as KYC, or Know Your Customer. Head to your account icon, select Identification, and begin the verification. You'll need a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. The process involves uploading photos of your ID and completing a quick facial verification via your webcam. Approval times can vary from a few minutes to a couple of days. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation badge, unlocking the ability to fund your account with fiat currency. With verification complete, let's fund your account. Click Buy Crypto, and then Bank Deposit. Select your currency and choose Bank Transfer for the lowest fees, often zero. You'll receive Binance bank details and a unique reference code. It is critical to include this code in your bank transfer's reference field so the funds are correctly assigned to your account. Once your funds arrive, you can easily buy crypto. Go back to Buy Crypto. Select Cash Balance, choose your desired cryptocurrency. Enter the amount, and confirm. The coins will instantly appear in your spot wallet. You can also deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet by going to your fiat and spot wallet, clicking Deposit, selecting the correct coin, and sending it to your unique Binance deposit address. Always double-check that the coin and network are correct. Converting crypto back to cash or other coins is simple. The Convert feature under the Trade tab offers a quick, one-click method to swap assets at the current market price. To withdraw crypto to an external wallet, go to your wallet, click Withdraw, select Crypto, and enter the destination address with extreme care. To cash out to your bank account, choose Withdraw, select Fiat, pick Bank Transfer, and enter your details. Remember, the name on your Binance account and your bank account must match. Binance is known for its low fees, but you can reduce them even further. The standard trading fee is 0.1% per trade. You can view the complete fee schedule on their website. There are two primary ways to get a discount. First, if you signed up with a referral code, you already receive a 10% fee reduction. Second, and more significantly, you can get a 25% discount by paying your fees with Binance native coin, BNB. Ensure you have the Pay Fees with BNB option enabled in your settings. Combining these two methods makes Binance one of the most cost-effective exchanges available. Now, let's explore the core trading interface. Navigate to Trade and select Advanced. This is where you execute more precise trades. The screen is divided into a price chart, an order book showing buy and sell orders, and a trading panel. You can trade different pairs, like BTC/USDT. The two main order types are Market and Limit. A market order buys or sells immediately at the best available price. A limit order, however, allows you to set a specific price at which you want your trade to execute. Your order will only fill if the market reaches your price. This gives you more control but is not guaranteed to execute immediately. Finally, don't just hold your crypto, make it work for you. The Binance Earn program lets you earn interest on your idle assets. There are two main options. Flexible savings allows you to deposit and withdraw at any time, offering lower interest rates. Locked savings requires you to commit your funds for a fixed term, 7, 30, or 90 days. but rewards you with significantly higher yields. You can even enable auto-subscribe for flexible savings, which automatically deposits your unused balance to generate passive income effortlessly. And that concludes our complete guide to getting started with Binance. We've covered account setup, security, buying and selling, understanding fees, trading, and earning passive income. You are now equipped with the knowledge to navigate the platform confidently. If you found this guide helpful, please support the channel with a like and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. If you have any questions, the comment section is below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the